So today I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to your public investing app. We're going to have the app load up here in real time so you can follow along. So we're currently on the main page of Public. Currently right here, you can see at the bottom, it does actually give us the option to add a payment method. But if for some reason you don't see that, no worries. What we're gonna go ahead and do is click on the person icon on the bottom right-hand side of the screen here. This is gonna take us to our main account page for our overall service. So what we do is go ahead and slide down a little bit and you're gonna see a section that says deposit funds. So what you can actually do is click on deposit funds right over here. And you can do one of two options. You can connect your bank instantly through Plaid, or you can do a micro deposit, which takes anywhere from 5 to 7 business days. If you want it faster, click on the top option that says bank link, and then we're gonna go ahead and link the bank at the very bottom right-hand corner. And right over here, it's gonna take us to the Plaid section. So once this loads up, it's gonna give us the option to hit on continue, and we can search for our bank. So what you can do is just kind of scroll through if you see your bank currently, or you can actually just type in your bank if you would like to. So for this example, we're gonna go with SoFi. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and finish up with your login information for your bank and have your bank added into public investing. Now, I want you to keep on learning more on how to utilize this app. So check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.